All right, I'm trying to figure this out. First YouTube live stream, just doing some tests. Let's see if we can share my screen here. Oh, let's cancel here. Let's move this over here because I don't want that on that screen. And let's open this up right now. That looks like it's correct. Now, no. Ah, that would be good if I could just do that. Hey, that looks like it works a whole lot better there. So what can we edit inside here? Let's see. I can change the details, the customizations. Looks like it's public, how to, moderation hills. Let's close that out. Welcome to live chat. Remember to guard your privacy and abide by our community guidelines. Okay, it's got the share button right down there. This is looking really good. So what else we got here? I have something I don't have access to. It gives me a little timer right there. I can manage the date. I can pop out dashboard, channel level settings, send feedback, top chat, in stream. I can mute. There you go. I wanted to see if that works. When I go back and watch this video later, then I'll be able to see how well this works. So setting up the live chat was not hard, or setting up the live YouTube feed wasn't that difficult at all. Getting all the other stuff going was kind of annoying, but I think I got things going here. You can see here, this is my logo for my customer, and we're going to go ahead and pull open. That was weird. So if I'm on this screen over here, nothing's really changing. That is great. I don't really know how long I'm going to be able to stream today because my wife's in the showroom and she's pulling packs up. It's a Sunday. It's 4 o'clock. There's a thunderstorm rolling through. In fact, it could be here right now, as a matter of fact. But I wanted to play around with IPM just a minute ago. And let's see if I can't pull up in their Webstore real fast. We can take a look at that. I did a little bit of work on it yesterday on a stream that I shared with Twitch and with YouTube. And that went really well. In fact, I had my very first chatter, real live chatter that came into the stream and really just made me feel good. This is something I like to do just for fun. And I would like to keep continuing to doing it. So if y'all find it interesting or want to know about the t-shirt and sign printing business, I'd love to be a part of it. And love to see if I can't share a little bit of that with y'all whenever I can. I am by no means a professional YouTuber streamer. Like I said in the past, I absolutely love watching streams. It's one of my favorite little hobbies to do. And I also love working. I mean, they say if you do what you love, you never have to work a day in your life. So fortunately enough, I love doing this stuff. I love creating designs and making t-shirts, and I like making people happy a lot of times. So my background has always been in customer service. It's been helping folks out. Right now, it's kind of doing a lot of the design work. I have a fantastic team here at iSign Shop. We really do. We've put together just a top-notch crew of amazing individuals, and they've really come together for our customers. And that's kind of what our goal up here is that we're really not about selling t-shirts. I mean, you can buy t-shirts from anybody. We're more in tune to creating great relationships with our customers and understanding their needs and fulfilling those needs within their budget, within their timeline. There's just a variety of issues that go into it. Some of them are just absolutely unachievable because sometimes people have champagne taste on a beer budget, but we're 100% transparent with folks. If it's something that we can meet and be able to process, we'll absolutely 100% do it. But if it's something that we're going to fall short of, if the customer's not going to be able to meet those deadlines or meet those budgetary requirements, then yeah, we'll point them in the right direction, or we'll give them advice on trying to move this onto something else that might be within the realm of possibility, and we'll shoot them out this way. So what we're working on today is, let me pull this over. This is a web store that we put together. We use a software called InkSoft. InkSoft is an amazing tool. And what it does is it allows us to create these custom websites. and be able to load their customer's logo on with these items. And I'm just now noticing I've pulled this window over here and it is not streaming the right thing. So let's see here if I can get the right thing here. Yeah, we want to do an entire screen. That's what we want. That way I can pull stuff over here. There we go. Hey, there, I'm back, and here's the site. So, yeah, you can check out here. This is the website that we've kind of been working on. We got them. This is their logo, IPM, and these are some of the things that we've put together for them so far. We got some performance wear, some FR gear was really important to them, and just some really, economical T-shirts, as well as this is what got us in the door with them. We did laser engraved custom patches for them. I'll give you a quick tip. And I get no sponsorship or anything from these folks, but the great folks over at Lone Star Adhesive make the best leather, make the best adhesive of anybody for laser engraving. I specifically use an X tool. I have a P2S, and it's been phenomenal for my business, for us being able to process these a whole lot faster. Traditionally, in the past, I've always outsourced my laser engraved patches. That's still a great option. And if I ever got met with an order that I wouldn't be able to accomplish in a timely manner, or I couldn't be able to do it a cost effectively way, then I'd 100% reach back out to my outsourcers and process that job. Especially whenever our customers are demanding a very high quality product. That's really important. And I can't stress this enough is first time you reach out to a vendor, get some samples, man. Try it out, see if it don't, see what works right, what doesn't work right for you, and then go from there. I know one of the most important things that we work on here is trying to give exceptional quality products. So I'm going to jump right into this. I don't want to make this too long of a session, but let's check it out here. So I'm going to come back over here. This is the main store page, right? Come over here to the store admin. And inside of here, this is where all the products are loaded. And you can see that we had some things in here. We kind of, it was a little bit of a miscommunication of what they were asking for versus what we gave them. So we're going to go ahead and mark this as inactive. We're going to take that out. And we're going to go ahead and do the same one with this one and this other jacket as well too. We're going to leave the rest of that stuff up there. We're going to go ahead and inactivate these things. This is a really cool tool. And let's just refresh this page. Let's see if that stuff goes away. Yeah, we're gone with that stuff. So some of the things that we're missing from this site, let me come back over to the storefront. We got some, performance wear, nice button-down T-shirts. You can see here, performance T-shirts. Got some cool little stripes on the back. We kind of got that done. I'm going to go to all products. We're going to take a look at this. So we got some generic T-shirts. We got this. We're going to have to go with this. So there's a lot of things that you can do with an InkSoft. InkSoft is a huge company, is a huge software. And you have to set the products up correctly. And when you first kind of think about it, it's like, hey, I want to assign this product to the store. Well, you're assigning a blank product. You don't necessarily want to do that because I don't want my customers to buy blank products. I want them to buy the printed products. They don't want to buy blank products. So we got to go and unmap this to this web store, this one and this one. Let's just jump in there and do that real quick. It won't take but just a second. So I'm going to open this into a new tab so that we can kind of see which one's is. It's this one. Yeah, we'll find out what that is here in a second. We'll get store admin. And it's this. What's the SKU number for this? It makes it easier to find. SLU2. So great. So we're going to go over here to my little hamburger on the side out. I'll pull up my products. I'm going to go ahead and open a new tab. And what was that? It was SLU2. So I'm going to go search for this. SLU2. And InkSoft is a great software. So you can see right here, I have that product pulled up right here. I'm going to go ahead and open that product up and take a look at it. And we can see here right off the bat, store assignments 2. And I want to unselect it from this because I don't want to sell the blank product on the store. So I'm going to go ahead and save that, get out. I'm going to come back over here and back up. And I'm going to find this other one that was randomly on there. And it is 56530. So shoot back over here to my products. And I'm going to type in 56530. Find that product right there. Jump into it. We're going to go ahead and disassign it from, looks like we already did that one. Did I miss it? Did I miss the wrong thing? Come back over here to products and we'll view. And refresh this screen. See if that should have gone away. Was it there? Oh, it's a long sleeve. So, I thought we did this one. Did we not? Did I save it? It happens. It happens, folks. So let's back up. Yeah, that was SLU2. Let's go over here and make sure I get the right thing here. SLU2. Click on that product. Let's take a look and see what we have here. It is only assigned. It's probably just hung up in the cache. I bet that's what that is. It's just hung up in the memory of this. So let's do Magic Control F5. Sometimes it'll just hang out for a bit. I know it'll take a little while, but it'll come off there. Have this also long sleeve. Let's see if I can find that product number now. Long sleeve. I do not see that anywhere in this list, but oil block. Let's see if I can't find that. There's another way of doing this. I could come over here also. I can just look at the store and I could type in IPM and I can find all the products that are associated with that store and just undo this. So yeah, it shouldn't have any more on there. I might have gone in there the other day and taken it out. Oh, take this out. There it is. We need to take that booger off of that web store. So we don't want to sell blank products. Oh, there's a color problem with this one as well too. What's the color? I had to fix one of these the other day, and I thought I uploaded all new images to it. Yeah, I did. I need to change. I need to select some image colors, it looks like. So I got a little cheaty tool right here. So I'm going to use this little loogie right here. And hex code. So this little web tool I'm download just to make my life a little easier, because I always find myself having to do this. And grab that right there. Just pulls that in real fast. There we go. Get another one here. Light gray. Let's see. Oh, we got royal blue. All right. Looks like we got all of those activated. I did come in here the other day. Was it this product? I don't remember. I think it was. I think I worked on this product the other day. Let me take a look over here. Let me see if that was the right one. SY31, was that this? SY32. Oh no, I worked on the women's. So the SY31. So we need to go ahead and do that. That's something that I like to do, is I like to update these photos with new images. So we're gonna come over here and shoot back over here, and let's do that. SY. Oh. Well, the problem is, if I update it now, I'll have to delete that product and add a new one. Not the end of the world, but let's see. That's what I was working on. Was SY31. That was we were missing that. So we had the men's version, we had the women's short sleeve. So let's add the women's short sleeve. So we'll come back over to the store administrator. I'm gonna go ahead and add a new product. We said 31. Yeah, that's the problem that I was running into. I could do the back, but I couldn't do the front. So let's go back to that product. Let's see if we can't fix what's going on here. That's where I had to leave off yesterday, because I was just running into one issue after another. Come on. There you go. SY31. Here it is right here. So I uploaded all new photos of this. What I have, we got the product active. It's only assigned to the one store. It's a dress shirt lady. Got the category right. Got the product name right. Default color's good. Supplier, manufacturer, the SKU, availability, all that stuff is good. It doesn't have a size chart inside there. Got the sort ordered correctly there. And the decoration. This is where it was giving me an issue. It wasn't allowing me to select front. Okay, and then when I choose a manage region, I had the regions inside there. So it was just like, what is going on here? And so I tried a couple of different things just to try to see if I couldn't get that to work. And I could get the back, but I can't get the front for some reason. And so I was almost about to give up. I think I'm going to delete the product and try to re-upload it back from SNS and see what happens. I might just have to do. I'm going to try this one last time. Let's call this front, right? And let's see here. Width, we're going to do. Let's just go with whatever. Adult front. 12-inch. I mean, yeah, height to 12-inch. Let's draw this baby out. All right, just put it here, and let's save it. And see, it's still just blocked up. It shows me it's got it here. Manage available widths. Let's do adult. Let's do, what was that? We did the adult 12-inch, right? I do all styles for the blank product. And it's got the designer overlay for the back, but it's not giving me anything for the front. So, and they recently just changed this, so I might be missing something that might be here, and I'm just not seeing it anymore. But you know what? Let's just let's go back over here. Let's start this over. This was SY31. Let's just do this. Let's get back out of here. Let's select this product and let's just remove it. Let's permanently delete it. Let's see here. It's in here. Feeds, printing, inventory, remove, permanently delete. And this was SY31. Let's apply that. All right, so let's refresh this. Let's see if it comes up. Shouldn't. Let's go ahead and add this product back in from the supplier catalog. And yeah, Alpha Rotor's no longer with us anymore. So we're going to go to SS Activewear and SY31. There's our product. So we're going to go and click that product. Yes, we want this over into our main category. We permanently delete it. Now we put it back in. All right, let's see colors and images. It's missing a lot of the stuff here. Decoration. Nah, we got to put. So I have some of these already. And yeah, it's missing those colors again. So let's do this. Charcoal yellow. Let's get back over here. All right, charcoal yellow, and we're doing the front. So there is charcoal yellow, charcoal yellow black, and the back.
I've got probably another 20 minutes set, and then we gotta go. So I'm going first shirt, first shirt.
Okay. Got the back. All right. Now we got the front, black charcoal. So we got black charcoal. We do the front first. Black charcoal back. That one. We're going to go ahead and re-upload the red charcoal front. So I like coming in here and updating the photos. Some of the photos in InkSoft are off just a little bit. Like it needed a little love, to be honest with you. And so I'll download a little bit larger photo and put them inside there, and it does help the visibility of these things when you're, especially whenever you're like on cell phones and things like that. It just makes it to me look a little clearer. And I'll show you. Don't know how much more time I got, but let's see if we can't get this live real quick. Be a good little tutorial on how we upload products. Here's the front. See, it's just slightly bigger. And kind of one of the good and the bad things is when you get this correct. Let's do that. Now it needs those colors. We're gonna do that in real quick. Pull that in there. Done. Black charcoal. Pull that kind of gray inside there. Done. And we got this fireball. I'm click happy sometimes. And then we got the light gray. Just grab that right up in the center. And then we got this blue. Let's see. You know, if all else fails, one of the awesome things is with InkSoft, man. They have a lot of tech support. They are more than happy to get you back on track. Let's go ahead and activate that one. Get that one going. I got that one. And because they didn't have images, they inactivated them. So we got all of those. We're going to save. 101. Got sizes, minimum. Got that. These all look clean. They all have logos inside there. So shoot over the decoration and see it's still not activated. It's like for some reason I got all the backs put in there, but for some reason the fronts are not wanting to communicate well for some reason. So you know what I'm going to do? We're going to go ahead and select all of these. Let's set them to inactive. Yeah. Okay, and then what, did that work? Let's refresh the screen. Come back over here and then, well, let's try it again. Select them all, bulk actions set to inactive. And save. And it still shows active. Default colors required. Am I missing something? Default colors required to be active. The default color in the general tab were to make this. All right, let's come over here. The default color, charcoal yellow. Okay. Decoration. Oh, okay. The rest of these are inactive. Perfect. So this is the default color. This is the one that we originally started off with. So let's go back and let's change this to the default color. We'll have to make it active first. So let's do that. Let's do this. Let's make it active. Save. Come over here. We're going to make this fired. There you go. We're going to save it. Decoration. Still not managing. Well, let's add a print region. So it's front. Region name. Pocket. Width. It's going to be 4 inches. Let's do front pocket. They have just over pocket. There it goes, above pocket 5 inch, and we'll say height is 2 inches. Let's draw that out. Somewhere in there. That looks good. See, it still doesn't give me a design overlay. Let's see what else we got. Backhand. Yep, I'm gonna have to just start a support chat with them, which they are awesome. So that's probably what we're gonna end up having to do. Is I'm just going to have to send them a message and tell them there's on pocket 2-inch. Pant leg photo, right sleeve. Well, if y'all are coming to the comments and you can see anything like that, just let me know because I am totally blown away with this. Side cap, right chest. Sure. Front. And this is just, it just blows me away. If I'm just doing something wrong. Yep, width 5. It doesn't matter. Should draw a square now. There you go, square. Just like that. And print region changes will be applied to all styles of blank product. I mean, this is so crazy. As soon as I save that, it comes inside there. Front, yep. And I still cannot select it. You know, and the crazy thing, I can select back and there's nothing there. And so I come over here to colors and images and I see color type. You know, we could call that dark. Optional. You know, why not? Maybe. Yeah. 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 No sleeves on this? No. That's the default. That's the name. Come back over your decoration. Nothing. And it's there. It's right there. It even sees it over there. I wonder if, I mean, just for giggles. Left sleeve. So if I save this right now, it shows it as left sleeve. But come over to decoration. I can freaking select left sleeve. You know, I can't select right sleeve. It's like there's not a photo. They're not seeing the photo, but it's right there. Right there. Select left sleeve. Ah. I gotta be missing something. That's all there's gotta be to it. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and end this. Been about 30 minutes, and it was fun. Like I said, if you have any suggestions, put them in the comments down below. Love to see it. Like, stream, follow, share. Appreciate all that stuff. Man, y'all have a great day. Thanks. And have fun.